Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to fix black screen of death on your iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So the only thing that you can do is force restarting your iPhone. So it's very simple. Just click volume up button, then release, then volume down button, then release, and keep pressing power button for about 10 seconds. Okay, let's see. Until your iPhone will restarting. So it's done. Then wait until the Apple logo will show. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.